My name is Vikas Duvvuri and I am a junior at The Ohio State University. At LayerZero, I'm a marketing and operations intern. So for the marketing team, I do some analytics and looking at what kind of things our customers would like to see, as well as strategy. And then on the operations side, so far I've been keeping up a production dashboard for Danner, as well as I've done some time studies and organizational improvements for the paint line. At Ohio State, I am a teaching assistant for the Intro to Operations class. So when I got to the paint line, I was able to find some areas that could have been improved, and it was really interesting being able to take what I teach and really implement it into a practical solution. I think my favorite part is definitely the openness and freedom that I've been given to really interact with a bunch of different projects. So everyone's been really nice and willing to help me out and learn the process. Some of what I did with the social media has had a real impact with bringing in an analytics perspective and trying to create a more regular posting schedule. Overall, I've really enjoyed the internship. I feel like I've learned a lot, which I think was definitely the goal for me. So being able to take things I've seen in the classroom and apply them to real world settings, I'm glad I've been given the space to learn and the support to get things done and contribute to the company.